So we're just going to do a little video of the lodge that we stayed in at Todber Valley. Okay, I might put this at the end of the other video showing you around Todber Valley, but I'll put it as a separate video as well. So this is the lodge that we've got. It's got a wraparound deck. The deck looks fairly new. It's like a composite decking. There's a decent sized parking space next to it. It's easy to reverse in. It has some little storage bits down there which we didn't need to use. And you come up along the path along here and up the stairs. The stairs has got a little safety latch just here, and then you come in through the door. Here's Aoife to open the door for us. So you come straight in and you've got a bathroom with a toilet, a sink and a shower and a big towel rail and mirror in there. And you come in and you've got, this is a 2-bedroom lodge. You've got the main bedroom, the big double bed, which is really comfy. You've got lots of storage above and around the bed, and this comes with its own ensuite as well. So you've got shower and toilet. So this type of lodge is called a Kingfisher lodge. And then you come out of here, and then into, this was Aoife's bedroom in here. This is 2 single beds, but it's a decent size. So it's got little chest of drawers in the middle, got big storage above. It's got big high ceilings in this lodge.
And then a painting.
And a painting of 2 what look like blue whales. And there's another wardrobe there.
Storage.
And then you come in this way, you've got your controls for your heating, so the central heating in here are there. You come in here, you've got all open them up. You've got 2 places to store your coats. That's where your boiler is, and you've got your ironing boards and brush and everything in there. And you come into your kitchen. So let me just come around, Aoife. Yeah, so you've got your nice big fridge. And then if it's going to pull really hard, there you go, and you've got a big freezer as well. Fantastic. And storage above as well. It comes with obviously all glasses and cups, plastic cups, plates and bowls, a load of utensils. Handy thing to know is it does have a bottle opener with a corkscrew, which is there. An oven, which is a gas oven. A small seating area just there.
It's very nice.
It's very nice. You can get, well, this is meant for 4 people, so you could easily get 4 people around there. And then you've got this big open space here, and a really comfortable corner couch, and then a big, what size TV do you reckon that is, Aoife? 40 or 50, maybe 50-inch TV. And then you've got a fireplace there, which is electric fire. And then you've got this, another chair there. There's lots of plug sockets around. Plug socket just there, and one's in there, and one there. And then Aoife's going to go outside. She's opened the door for us. Fantastic, Aoife. And then this is your little veranda or little balcony thing. And this wraps all the way around. Like I say, it's composite. It's brand new. Oh, it's windy out here. That goes all the way down there. And there's also an outside socket there as well. Switch out secondly, there you go, an outside socket. And some, yeah, and there's a daddy long legs. And there is, and from here, you get gorgeous views. So this is Kingfisher Lodge. This is C22. I don't actually know where it says the C22, but this is C22 because it says it on the key. So if you come to Todber Valley, we recommend this lodge. Again, they're really not expensive. When you come to Todber Valley, you're not getting any of your swimming pool and massive amounts of entertainment and stuff. This is just so you come and enjoy a caravan park. Recommended by an 8-year-old and by a 39-year-old and a 40-year-old. So we love it here. We'll definitely be back. So hopefully you will be able to watch this and come and visit Todber Valley.
And there's also a light.
And there's also lights up there. Okay, and what do we say at the end of every video?
You have to subscribe and like and comment.
Okay, bye everyone.